50 ml of my saline is ready. No need to sow so much this and all, heat and all, because already it is near to this area. So I will do all my work near to this area. Okay. So this just take it. Here, since again I don't want to keep it and keep it in incubator, just I will keep this one aside. After that, what I am doing? I am adding soil.
Why to keep near the heat, the microorganisms?
No, we are not so much very. That area we want only that water. No mixing we are giving now with the salad, so organisms will be safe in it. Okay. So I am mixing nicely.
Shake करके यार.
Let it be there. By the time, what I will do is 9 ml of my saline. I have to transfer to my test tubes. Right now. So what I will do, these are my test tubes. Already writings are there. So let me check. So you don't want all these things. So what you can do is
70.
the permanent marker here. And then all it is not going. Okay. So it's permanent marker. So let it keep like this only. Opposite side you write. Again, writing is another one important point you have to remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this paper you can throw. This thing you can keep. So now what I will do is, first step I will transfer 9 ml. First one 9 ml correctly you transfer. After that same almost similar you can see the level and
उधर से 1 ml छोटे.
okay. So after that what I will do, almost similar I can transfer. Yes sir. Means what technique you want? Yes sir. Nobody will in the reverting exam the serial dilution won't come. The spread plating and speed plating and bore plating also it is not so easy to do on that day. Approximately. Okay.
Gas waste.
We are paying the fees.
Yes sir.
No waste. Gas waste.
If you are comfortable with adding measuring, you do that one.
Everything is waste.
Pipette will use.
It's no strict rule like that, but 9 ml should be there. That's it.
It's fine if it's more than 9.
No, that is your dilutions. You cannot tell like that. No. Weaker to transfer, but this is not sterilized now. So not sterilized now.
अपने यूवी लाइट में रखना है तुझे, मतलब हीट करके तेरी मर्जी धो के रखना.
Because in, see all these whatever you are doing, there is a standardized procedure for that. That is called SOPs. Why you are restricting always your PCR mixture to be for 50 microliter? Whenever you are doing, you will be, that is the standard procedure, proven procedure for this is the other. So everywhere for any experiment, why you are adding only Then now DNA isolation you have done. There's so many mLs you have taken in standard way. Correct? Why you have taken that much? Because that is the standardized procedure, proven procedure to get optimum amount of your water product. So everywhere, that's why I always say to students, optimization is very, very important whenever you are doing anything in your biotechnology. So that is called GMPs and GLPs. What is GMPs means? Good manufacturing practices. GLP means good lab practices or laboratory practices. So it's very, very important to make sure that whatever standardized procedures are there, that you are doing. That's why all these 9 ml why we are taking is because of that. Understood? It's not like that I have made some calculations and things. Whenever you are doing calculation, I will tell you, this is the calculation, but because of that only I have taken this much like that. But it is like standardized procedure. Why? Why? GLP is good manufacturing practice. LP is laboratory practice. Okay. So this let it be there. Now what are the steps you know? This you will take, correct? 1 ml you will make, transfer here, mix it, 1 ml, 1 ml, 1 ml, like that will go. After that what I told you, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 5 and 10 to the power minus 9. You will take 100 microliter and do the spread plating. So here nothing is there to spread plate. No? You have to make some petri dishes with the media. So first that process I will do, because for solidification it will take little time. So that's why you can take the media and petri plates now. Give me media and petri plates. I will show you how to pour the plate. Okay, media is there. That whatever liquid you are seeing,
Yes.
no? That one. Yes.
Media.
Petri plates also there. Bring. Rania. She, Natalia Preeti. See, this one, you can see the consistency like this. It is not so clear. It is like water, little colloidal. It's not so much also. But if I kept it for some 15 minutes, it will start with solidification. Because this media consists of what your agar, nutrient agar. So that's why why I kept it in this hot air oven. I have to make this in liquid only. Then you bring all the plates, 12 plates you bring, because this media is for 12 plates. Only one set you have given me. It's not there. Give a little more cotton. Cotton. See, it is so wet. So that's why always whenever tomorrow you are doing plating, today itself you have to think. Only I need, I think, 12 plates. One is dry. That's right. You know, whatever we have to pour all. Because it's media. Yeah. See, whenever you are doing something, petri plate should be like this. See, no water condense, nothing. So whatever you are going to throw, that much only will be there in that.
Take the behind one. That is dry.
But everything I have to do now. Because this media is for all these plates. You are 12 people, 12 batch means what? Number cubes you are going to plate, you know. Correct now? 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 9. Like that 4 batches I told, right? So that means how many plates I need? 4 into 3. You will take 9.
Then all the time.
How many 12 came in this counter?
16.
14 is there.
17. 18.
8, 10, 12,
16.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. This for tomorrow's batch.
Sandwich.
Okay. So now thing is, this is the lid of the plate. You are keeping the lid like this. plate should be like this. Dry the plates. Okay. Okay. So after that, what I am going to do is I am going to pour this media.
नहीं रे फाइनल एग्जाम के लिए काय से करना है
Okay.
याद
So
रहेगा
again,
मम्मी को
this
क्यों
media
बताऊं
just like that you have to show like this because to avoid any contaminants.
हाउ मच मैम वी शुड pour
You will pour in such a manner that just the down surface should be covered. It will be little hot whenever you are doing. Okay. So be careful with your hand. What you can do is what are they? If you are waiting for it should be cold and you will pour means by the time it will be solidifying inside the coordinate glass.
solidify
Huh? Yeah, I'll tell you because for 100 ml you can make maximum 4 plate maximum. If I am making a
टॉयलेट का पानी है ना मतलब
plate
अंदर
with this is thickness means for 100 ml
टॉयलेट
I
के
can
अंदर
make 4.
वेस्टर्न की
So that if that is the case, that is the calculation I'll tell you. Okay. So if that is the
अंदर
case for
अंदर
12 plates I have to make how much?
टट्टी करता है वो
Almost
कहाँ जाते पानी के अंदर गिरता है ना
300.
हाँ वो
So
पानी
you
लेके
have made 300. Have you seen how the plating is? This is called plating. So wherever liquid is there. But you have to add very fast, otherwise by the time the solidification would have started, it will disturb your plates. 12 came up. I believe you only. I don't know. 12 only. So media over. Now after some now you have seen how the media was looking like, right? It was almost liquid consistency with a little. So after some time, see now it is little shaking. So how you come to know it is solidified when you are shaking, nothing is shaking. Okay, so that is the indication that water, your media has solidified nicely. So now what I can do is, by the time I have to work on this, my soil is ready. Now my all the setup for cereal dilution is ready. So what I will do is, I will keep this under in one side. Slowly I will slide it on one side because I need this space for my work. Okay. See how much we are planning now for a small cereal dilution. Like this only, your subject is full of planning. If you are failing in planning, you are failing completely. Yes. Failing in your
Subject.
final execution. This is don't work. After all, whenever you want to. Let it solidify. By this time I will finish this cereal dilution. So by the time my base will be ready, so I can do the spread plate. Okay. So like that. Each time it is according to your wish. You can do the. You are feeling like that. I have touched so many things. You can do the wiping just like that. Okay. So next I want 1 ml to take. So I'll take my micro pipette with already sterilized tips are there like this. So you take that tips. Sir, this is not working. No? Okay, again check that whether it is working or not. Okay. So 1 ml, you know how to change all those things. So this is 1000 microliter means it is 1 ml. So what I will do now, it is settled nicely, correct? No soil particles should come in that. So I will take whatever from this. From the whatever set we supernated. Okay. Before that, since here it has written, I forgot to write only. You have to write. What is the sample? Soil sample you have given, Rakshita? Which one is that?
Samosa.
Garden soil. I'll write. Every day in microbiology lab, one marker should be there to write the things. It's very important, preserving the things, because after that you should know what is the thing. You will go after 3 days only, you will come back. That time also you should be able to identify your microorganisms. Okay, so that is it. So I am adding here. Mixing I can't do like this. So what I will do is